Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks so much for coming. If you're not, then I am so glad you're here because we have a new box. Seems like I have a lot of these, but this one is for the men. It is called Bespoke Post. So if you are not familiar with Bespoke Post, I will leave the name of their website down here and throw up a little video about their website. As you go, it's $45. And you get to pick or customize, and it depends on what you're really interested in. They have a lot of camping gear, a lot of outdoors things, a lot of grooming selection. So I really like it. I feel like it's very rugged and you know, something for the men. So you guys can let me know down in the comments what you think about this box and selections. And this is the second time that I've gotten something from them. So let's just crack it open and see what we got. Let me show you the size. So it's very and it looks like this. So very large box. And something else. So there's no pamphlet. All right, so we're just gonna get into this box, which is rather large. So this is the Nikiri kit. And for those of you culinary guys out there, or gals, that like culinary stuff, I think you'll like this. Let me just pull this out. Now, if you haven't seen my Zwilling review on the Food Saver Sealer, go check that out. And the Wine Sealer, go check that out. If you want to see a full review on a comparison between the Zwilling Food Sealer and let's say Food Saver, let me know in the comments as well, and I will do that. So here it is, Zwilling, great brand. We have the knife set, we have this Food Sealer, and the Wine Saver that came with that. So this is Zwilling Gourmet. So this is what it looks like. There's a 20% off code here. So they have very nice, sleek designs for their knives, and I absolutely love them. They do sell them at Macy's too. So this is the Nikiri. This was the option for this month that I chose. There is veggie cutting hacks on the back. And let's see, very fancy. So in the box, you get the Gourmet 6.5 inch Nikiri knife made by Zwilling. It tells you right here what's in the box. It's probably not going to focus, but and then you get a die cut foam lined storage and presentation box. Okay, great. Knife care. They want you to hand wash, which we do, and dry them immediately and put them back. So you don't dishwasher these, and you want to make sure that they're dry. Okay, so very sleek packaging from Zwilling. You got the two guys there. So we will slide this off. I guess you can't slide it off, but okay, here we go. Ooh, it opens like a jewelry case. Does it? Yes. So here we go. More about the product. And let me just show you guys. Very, very nice. This is that nice chopping knife. So it's made in Germany. Very, very sleek. And it will stay in this nice package. I'm not sure, but I think in the butcher block that we already have, it might fit nicely there. But this is a very nice presentation. And then more information on the box is here, and you get a warranty, which is also very nice. And then we have this, this fancy thing off. This is the 3-piece barbecue tool tote. This has large stainless steel barbecue tools with wooden handles, including a spatula, tongs, and barbecue fork. Tools secured in the tote by reinforced closure straps. Tote folds over tools and features an adjustable shoulder strap. So you can see there, that's what it looks like. And let's crack it open. And it also has a tag with a description here, but you can adjust this with a slide. You can also carry it like that. There's some clips right here, right here. And there you are. I'm sure there was some fresh savor, but they are quite large. And this looks very, very nice for when you are on the go, or maybe you just want to keep this next to your barbecue station. But I love that it has its own travel bag. So if you are camping, you can just slide this over your shoulder or hold it. You could probably attach it to, like, if you have a little wagon. I think this is really fabulous because these things are very hard to find and they're pricey. So the knife alone is worth more than $45, as well as this barbecue thing, toolkit. So I think it's great. I'm probably going to try it out again. So let me know if you would try this. You can also give this as a great gift for the man or outdoors person that you love for Christmas, you know, Father's Day, or birthdays. And that's all I have for you guys today. So I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for more, and always stay safe.